back to my channel, or welcome if you're new to my channel. So I was thinking about making a productive study vlog during my study break, but we were told that we had exam on Friday that week. That's why I was busy preparing for Friday exam all week, and then turns out it's not actually on Friday, it's on next Friday. So I wasted a whole week studying for that exam, and I had exam on Tuesday and Wednesday back to back. Turns out it's the last exam, and I haven't touched my other two exams that's on Tuesday and Wednesday back to back. I don't know what to do now. Which one should I study first? Because I don't really have time for my Wednesday exam. So stressed right now. So yeah, I thought putting up a camera, vlogging it, I might actually study because you guys are watching. Today the weather is really warm. Look, it's matching with my bed sheets. Got a sterilizer for the baby bottles and stuff. Hi guys, we are on the way to baby shower.
Gender review.
Oh.
Come on, dude.
Dude, I'm not your dude, bro.
You give me perfect.
Okay, so my brother is gonna sing a rap song. His rapper name is Broski. And his single is out now. You guys stream it on Spotify, Apple Music, it's everywhere.
Appreciate, love you guys.
Okay,
Stay
support, and
Support.
bless you guys. Oh, on my legal face, I don't hang with jealous bitches. That's a weak disease. Hold up, run out. Get that money, money.
On the count of
5, 2, 1.
Hey guys, a quick fit change because it's so hot in my room. This is my second bottle for the day. I've been studying till now, so I need a break. So I'm gonna go to a dance class, and I'm gonna take 2 classes. So I'll be there from 6 to 9. So yeah, it's already 6 now. I'm already so late. So yeah, this is my outfit for today, and I'm gonna wear my shoes downstairs. So yeah, let's go. I am getting so late for the dance class, but I have to eat something because I haven't eaten anything whole day. I'm gonna take this ramen and eat it in the Uber. And look at this chopstick, it's like crooked. I'm always late for some reason. I cannot manage my time these days. And my outfit today is trash. Like, I don't even know what I'm wearing. Like, I put it all together in 2 minutes, so I hate what I'm wearing, but we don't have time. My Uber has arrived. Now I'm gonna go.
Everyone say
class. I'm so tired. Time is currently 9:21. Just got back from dance and oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I'm dead, guys. I'm dead. Like, I'm so tired. I almost fell asleep in Uber. The first class was so good. Like, I was full of energy and everything. And then the second class, oh my gosh, it was also advanced level. The first one was intermediate, and then the second class was advanced. And I was exhausted after the first class, but the second class was also like super challenging. And I love a challenging class because like it keeps pushing me, and I love a good push. Like, that's the only way to grow. So yep, the dance class was a success.
They don't know anything. They're undercover cops.
Fluffy puts a cop.
Hi guys, time is currently 9:30. I'm gonna start studying now for tomorrow's exam.
I got through some days and I don't wanna wait. Will my faith find a way through the night?
I am so nervous for the exam, guys. I did learn everything, but I feel like I don't have anything in mind. Does this happen to you guys? Like, I'm going to give exam in 30 minutes, but I feel like my brain is empty. I don't know if it makes sense, but yeah. Hi guys, just got back from the exam and I took a nap, and now I'm studying for tomorrow's exam. Today was horrible. Today's exam just like ruined my mood.
Life just sucks, sometimes it's true. It loves to mess around with all our plans.
Second exam. This is my fit for today. I am literally just wearing sweatpants and sweatshirts because I'm not in a mood. And also the weather today was so bad. It was raining whole morning. Okay, something comfy, cozy. And yep, I don't think I'm ready for this exam, but I never am. Wish me luck today. Yeah, P Blizzard.
Yeah.
That thing.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I think she asked about it.
Bruh, yeah.
Don't even talk to me. Don't even talk to me.
Exams were not bad. She's pissed off. It was better than yesterday though. For real.
Mine was not. Literally, just give me 50%, please. It was out of 100 and I missed like 4 questions, right? Which means that I probably missed out on them. Ah! I'm so annoyed!
Bruh.
Deformity, and then I wrote like teeth like won't develop properly.
We're gonna go get Chop Plus now. Not the new one. I said I'm gonna try, but never try. Yeah, I'm gonna try strawberry today. Oh, fine. At least 2 exams done. Yeah. Sad. 2 more left, and then I'll get. Oh, I thought I'll get a free one, but it's by 9. get $70 off. It's still good, but
$70.
oh no, $7.
Oh, I was like, what's here for like $70?
Yum. Thank you. Very good. Brown sugar.
Yes.
Because they were out of mango sago, and I got a strawberry one.
No, it looks good. It's like a gum shot.
No. What? There's no pearls in it. It's just strawberry. Dumbass. I thought there was pearls.
Put pearls in.
No.
Just chicken. It's not really spicy. It's not spicy at all. Hot, not spicy. Gross. Guys, look at this. Beast it. Beast it.
It's the break of dawn, I'm not making sense. Talking to the wall, calling it a friend. I was in the clear, but lines got blurry again. It's not very warm when I'm alone in bed, so call me in the morning, sheets over your head. Night got pretty weird with both our cheeks turning red. Yeah, never think before I react. No, it's bad when I play it back. I'm sorry if I pulled you in on all my bullshit. No, it's annoying.
I'm gonna make this today. Good morning guys, today is the day of last exam. Time is currently 7 AM I think. This is my fit for today. I am wearing my brother's jacket, my brother's t-shirt, and then gray jogger. Because today it's raining and the weather is cold. And yeah, I don't want to be cold during the exam. So yeah.
Last exam.
Yay! Wish us luck. ID? Do you have your ID? Yeah. Yay!
We're done. So happy.
Yeah. Hi guys, just got back from the last exam and the exam was pretty good. It was much better than the last two exams, and this was supposed to be the hardest subject, but it went the best out of 3 exams. So yeah, that's it for my exam vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and bye.